शनिवार को पीएम मोदी मालदीव के 2 दिवसीय दौरे पर थे। इस दौरान पीएम मोदी राजधानी माले में मालदीव की आज़ादी की 60वीं सालगिरह पर मुख्य अतिथि बनकर शामिल हुए। शनिवार को हुए इस कार्यक्रम में मालदीव के राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मोइजू ने पीएम मोदी का गर्मजोशी से स्वागत किया। इस कार्यक्रम के बाद डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मोइजू ने भारत के साथ व्यापार को आगे ले जाने की बात कही।
Well, he's a wonderful person who's very fond of building the relationship between its neighbors, India's neighbors, and Maldives and India has a very good relationship that goes back centuries, and with his leadership and cooperation between our two countries, between the two governments, I'm sure it's going to be prosperous, even more prosperous in the days ahead. On behalf of all the Maldivians, I sincerely thank the Prime Minister for accepting my invitation to come to the Maldives on this very important historic occasion. Well, definitely it will greatly help the Maldives in going forward. So we are really looking forward to implementing the agreements and the MOUs we have signed. Well, I think so, definitely, yes. I think both our countries, people are looking forward because it will definitely benefit the tourists who come here and for the Maldivians who go to India.
भारत और मालदीव के बीच MOU भी साइन किए गए, जिसमें दोनों देशों ने टूरिज्म और व्यापार क्षेत्र को लेकर बड़े फैसले लिए। इसकी जानकारी मालदीव सरकार के मंत्रियों ने दी।
Last year we received 2 million tourists, and our target for this year is 2.3 million tourists, and we hope that even in the Indian market we hope to have a target of 200,000 tourists from India. So with their completion and opening of this Welana International Airport terminal, we hope that there is more connectivity throughout the world, including India. As you know, on yesterday's bilateral talks, one of the areas is to increase the connectivity of flights from more destinations from India.
The exchange of memorandum of understanding on the terms of reference to kickstart the free trade agreement between our two countries is definitely a step forward. And we have also the ongoing negotiations on the bilateral investment treaty between our two countries, and the and the kickstart of the using of local currency settlement, INR and Rupiah, plus the UPI, introduction of UPI and Rupee card here will definitely help deepen our trade.
इस कार्यक्रम के बाद पीएम मोदी ने मालदीव में बसे भारतीय प्रवासियों से भी मुलाकात की। मालदीव की आज़ादी की 60वीं सालगिरह पर दोनों देशों के संबंधों के 60 साल पूरे होने पर एक स्मारक डाक टिकट भी जारी किया गया।